Select ride.
And
Or
here we are.
race.
A young lady taking delivery of a brand new 2020 Kawasaki Ninja 400.
Alright. You ready?
I'm ready.
Motorsports on a brand new 2020 Kawasaki Ninja 400, the Kawasaki Racing Green. And man, let me tell you what, does this thing feel like brand new compared to my worn, driven, beaten Ninja 400. I mean, it feels like brand new money. 2 miles there, as you can see. This bike hasn't been through the test crash course dummy I've put mine through. I'm not sure if there's any differences at all in this versus my paint scheme or my year. Feels very similar. Obviously, I'm not going to ride this bike very much of any kind of way because I already have one. I don't need to be aggressive at all with this machine. Transmission feels butter smooth. I don't remember if mine felt like that day one, but this transmission, it feels absolutely just butter smooth. I mean, it's just like, it's like nothing. Obviously, you got fresh tires on this thing. And, I mean, everything seems to be running real smooth. I mean, gotta take appreciation for these little bikes. As you can see, no gear, no clubs today. That's an uh-oh. This wasn't exactly planned, and I didn't know I was gonna be jockeying this bike to its destination. Skies are looking a little, iffy, so no telling where that may go. But overall, purchaser of this motorcycle is a smaller young lady. Probably, I have no guess on the height, but still having trouble, flat footing on this 400. However, I'm going to see about lowering links and then probably just ride it. Most riders, new riders, want to customize, they want to change things, but I think this bike is cool just like it is. It's crazy, racing team paint as they're talking about. But otherwise, I mean, this thing is absolutely as good as they come for the most part. Don't get it twisted though, these bikes got some punch to them. These bikes get up. They go. Put the wrong people on them, these bikes move. Breaking it in 3 miles on the tires, so can't really, probably could even ride my beat tires a little better in this bike. And otherwise, this is going to be 2020 Ninja 400 delivery. Kawasaki Racing Team paint. This thing's ready to go. These things will do 130 miles an hour. Testament. 130 miles an hour. That's smoking. That's cooking for real on a motorcycle. For most people never see 120 in a car, much less you put them on two wheels. Forget about it. I love the green. The green is doing it for me. It's definitely doing it for me. It stands out a hell of a lot more than my my boring plain black. Great little bikes. I'm in 6th gear, 50 miles an hour at barely even 4,500 RPM. I mean, if you're on an R3 or a Ninja 300 or really anything of those sorts in the category below Ninja 400, yeah, you're, you know, it's not going to be as fun, to be honest with you. It's just not going to be as fun at all. I mean, nothing about it for real. You know, the cruising speeds are a lot harder to accomplish. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go down to the bottom of my channel, make sure you're subscribed, and then you'll see all the other fresh content I have to come out.